two TBMs coming in here. They are being assembled now. They came in on barges in various pieces. They've been coming up in small pieces in the sort of 50 to 70 ton maximum weight, and now they're being assembled into a single shield. They'll gradually be putting more equipment inside the TBM and then putting the other top middle shield on. That whole assembly is 800 tons, and that will be then picked up and moved across over the top of the shaft and then lowered down into the shaft bottom.
Essentially we're putting on the cutter head, as you can see in the background. The cutter head is the main business end of the TBM. It's the piece that will be in contact with the ground at all times. The lads down the hall are preparing the shaft bottom for us. We're preparing the machines. We'll drop them down in the next month.
It's a very important milestone in our program. It's really great that we got to this stage with no delays.
I've come into the acoustic shed today to have a quick look at some of the fantastic progress our site team's made in starting the tunnel adits, which is the first horizontal part of the tunnel, which will eventually form the main tunnel between here and our sites at Chambers Wharf and at Carnworth Road. Now behind me is an absolutely enormous hole. Do you know this is 53 metres deep and more than 32 metres in diameter? Absolutely huge. And if I just tip the camera up, you can see through this safety grille here some of the amazing progress our site team are making right at the bottom of that shaft. So what they're doing is they're breaking through these concrete panels, which are known as D-walls, and that's the first part of the tunnel, which will form the launch pad for our tunnel boring machine, and they'll start their progress to Carnworth Road in the west and Chambers Wharf in the east.